Hey my Foodie Phonics friends, how are you all today? I've got such an exciting and easy recipe for you to make today. Whether you're in winter like I am, where the weather is still a bit cold, or whether you're in summer overseas where it's nice and hot, I've got the perfect recipe for everyone. So let's have a look at the word that we're going to learn about today for our recipe. I'm sure you can see that I'm holding the letters D, I and P. Do you know what sounds those letters make? Let's have a listen to the sounds, shall we? Letter D makes a D sound. Letter I makes an I sound. And letter P makes a P sound. And when you put them all next to each other in a word, they make D, I, P. Dip. That's right. We're going to make a dip today. But not just any dip. We're going to make a unicorn dip. And when we are finished making our unicorn dip, I even have a song for you to learn about your unicorn dip. Right, I'll put these letters down over here. They're out of the picture, but you can still see them up here. D, I, P, dip. Righto, before we start, let me tell you what ingredients we're going to use. You're going to use yogurt of your choice. I've got Greek yogurt over here. And then you're going to use berries, preferably berries. You can use any fruit, but I'm going to use berries because I don't want to add food coloring into my yogurt. I want to use the natural color of the berries. Plus, if I've used berries, I don't need to add any extra sugar or sweetener or honey. But that's your choice. You can add honey to your yogurt if you'd like, if you're not going to use berries. So to start, I'm going to scoop some yogurt into my mixer cup. Grab a spoon over here. We're going to have about 3 different kinds of yogurt, so you don't need a lot in each cup. There's 1 spoon and 2 spoons. I think that'll be enough for me. If you're making unicorn dip for the whole family, you'll need more than 2 spoonfuls. Here's my other jug. I'll pop another 2 spoonfuls in. 1 and 2. There we go. And then I'll leave the rest of the white yogurt in here because I can just add 2 white spoonfuls. I'll keep the third one with no berries in it. So that's what I'm going to do. Actually, I'll put it into my glass jar. I'm just using a little glass jar, but you can use anything you need to. I'm using a glass jar so that you can see through it. There we go. That'll be my white layer of unicorn dip. Okie dokes. Just tap that back off. Put the lid on, and then I can mind the yogurt tub out the way so you can see past it. I'll just put it over here. Can you see our unicorn friends are joining us today to watch me make unicorn dip? There's my smallest unicorn, and they get bigger and bigger and bigger. And of course my unicorn mug over here. Okie dokie. Today also doubles as School's Tree Day. Now I know a lot of us here in Australia are not at school at the moment. You're learning at home, but that doesn't stop us from planting a tree for School's Tree Day. And if you can't plant a great big tree, I've got the perfect idea for you with the strawberries that we're going to use. Tomorrow is National Tree Day, but today is School's Tree Day. So I'm going to show you on the strawberries over here. Do you know where strawberries come from? The supermarket normally, right? But where does the supermarket get them from? The supermarket gets them from strawberry farmers. And where do the strawberry farmers get them from? Well, they grow strawberry farms. And I'm going to show you how. Just have a look there. If you look very closely on the strawberry, you can see those little dots are actually seeds. Let me try and get it. There you are. Those little dots are actually seeds on the strawberry. Now, when we use our strawberries to make our unicorn dip, we're going to cut off the top where the leaves are. The leaves are where the plant grow. And those little seeds are what will grow new strawberry plants. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll do that in this jar. You can use a blunt knife, boys and girls, to cut off the green leaves. There you are. Ask Mommy and Daddy first. But then you're just going to chop off. Can you see over here? I'll bring it closer. Once I've done it, you're just going to chop where the leaves are. Be sure to leave some of the little seeds. Can you see the seeds underneath there? Yes? All right, then I've got a tiny container, little dish over here with some paper towel. I'm going to put paper towel in the bottom of the dish and put the strawberries on top, or sorry, the strawberry leaves and seeds on top, and then just kind of cover it up like a little blanket. And then you need to give it some water every day, just a little sip of water. They don't need a lot of water. We need to drink a lot of water, but the strawberry plant won't need a lot of water. And soon enough, you'll see little plants sprouting from those seeds, and then you can put them in a pot plant or in the garden if you have a garden. And best of all, if you and your family eat eggs, you can crush some eggshells that will really help your strawberry plants to grow big and healthy, juicy strawberries. It is plastic-free July, so if you can use natural foods to fertilize your garden to make your plants healthy and strong, that will help as well. So I touched that compost bin, so I'm just going to wash my hands before I carry on with the strawberries. Okie dokie, so here's the strawberry that I cut the top off of. I'll just cut it in quarters. Quarters means 4 equal pieces. I'll show you. There's my strawberry, and there are its 4 equal pieces. Oops, quarters. Okay, I'll put it into there, and I think I'll use 2. The 2 should be enough to make a lovely color for our strawberry, for our unicorn dip. Remember to keep the seeds on. I'll plant this one as well when we're finished recording. Keep it over there for now. Cut my strawberry into quarters. So it's 4 equal parts, remember? 4 equal parts is quarters. There we go. Into the container. Now, I need to take the spoon out. I might just put it on my plate over here. Here's my blender. Remember, my blender's a little bit noisy, so block your ears if you don't like the noise. Ready? Wow, look at that lovely color. Looks amazing. Okie dokie. So there's our pink layer. Whoops, it's messy. Be sure to help Mummy and Daddy tidy up when you're finished. There's our pink layer of unicorn dip. Yum, oh, it's even got some chunky bits of strawberry in. That's going to be delicious. Now we're going to make our blueberry dip. So I'll get my other container over here. Right, I think maybe 5 blueberries. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see. Put that spoon there. It doesn't matter if you mix a little bit of pink with the blueberries. Let's see what color it makes, shall we? Ready, block your ears if it's too noisy for you. I wonder, I might need more blueberries. Yeah, I think I want my unicorn dip a little bit darker than that, so I'm going to add another 5 blueberries. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, it's getting nice and purple now. Oh, that's looking good. Okay, you can't really see in there. All right, I'll take the blender out. Whoops, and pour it into our next glass jar, and you can see the purple color. Look at that lovely purple unicorn dip. The perfect amount. Okay, I'll put that over right the way there. So now we have our pink yogurt for our unicorn dip and our purple yogurt for our unicorn dip and our white yogurt. Okie dokie. Now we get to build our unicorn dip. I'm going to scoop, I think I'll put the purple one at the bottom, just a little bit. That's it. Oh, it's going to drip. I'll put it on my plate. Then I'm going to put some white yogurt in the middle. Oh, wow, that looks amazing, doesn't it? Yeah, another scoop. There we go. Whoopsie daisy, this is a messy job. And now I'm going to add my pink dip. There's bits of strawberry in here. Pink dip on top. There go the strawberry bits. Wow, and there is my delicious, whoops, with strawberry bits, unicorn dip. And to make it extra unicorny, of course you can't go past sprinkles. We have to put some sprinkles on top. Now, I did promise you a song for our unicorn dip. Doesn't that look amazing? Unicorn dip. Now, let me see if I can remember the song. It goes like this. Strawberries and unicorn dip, unicorn dip, unicorn dip. Strawberries and unicorn dip, that's what we'll have for tea. I can't wait to see your unicorn dip. Be sure to show me photos in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Before you go, I forgot to show you how to write the word if you're learning to write. Here's my board. That was close. There we go. If you're already learning to write, you will know that I actually need an extra line in here. But if you're just learning the shapes of the letters, it's okay. So we're going to write letter D with a circle and a line up, up, up and down. Letter I with a half line to the bottom and a dot. Letter P with a long line down through the dotted line, up, up, up and around. And there you have D-I-P, dip. Well done, boys and girls. I really loved making our unicorn dip with you today. See you next week. Bye for now.